Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Ahmad Dinish, and this is my teammate partner Lee Siu-han, and today we are going to present about problem-based exercise 2 Python programming.
Okay, thank you, Danish. Okay, today we're gonna create a calculator lah from PBT2 lah. We create a calculator, okay? Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you the interface about show the full coding lah, okay? Okay, first thing that we have to create form from Tkinter import all, okay? Okay, secondly, we have to create class calculators so that they can run. Okay, without them, you cannot store the object lah. Okay, class calculator is an object. Okay, next is we have to create also call the constructor lah. Okay, which is a constructor, and then in this area is we call it we create the entry widget lah. Okay, it's a widget, and I mean this area is a widget that we enter the input and also output lah for the display lah. Okay. In this part, it's a button. We create a button. It's a define buttons, which is like button 1, 2, 3, so on, and then plus equals to minus multiplication and division, and then also clear. We create a button. Okay. In this area, we place the grid. Okay, we place the grid, which is number the number one. Which part of in this area is we set the grid. We set the grid, which is which number one is a place, number two which place should be placed, and then number three which should place we placed. Okay, and then and so on lah. Okay. And this part is the store the operation in first operand in the calculation. Okay, we put create none lah because we never enter anything. Okay, and this part is the function. We have a function button click, we have a button function clear, we have a function button add, subtract, multiply, and division, and also equals to. Okay, we have a button clear, of course, because this function in this part is this function is when we click something else, when we click on the button on calculator, and then it will respond. Okay, we call a function. We have a function click, clear, which is clear. We put operation none, and then we have a function button add, which is we first operand plus with second operand lah. Okay, and then subtract, multiply, and division and equals to we create also if else, which is if we click plus will be plus first operand, second operand, and then minus will minus operand, and then the multiply will be multiply, and then division we divide them slash. Okay, and then we have a set attribute insert lah 0, and then first of all, okay, and then next we have to set we set a background color lah which is the interface design. We create we just apply the colors which is I put apply color purple. Okay, and then the last is we create a GUI and run the main loop will be run to the Windows. We create a root equals to tk and then color, and then we also have to create a root main loop because we have to run on the Windows screen. Okay, next I'm gonna let my members let the Danish to present our display calculator.
Okay, thank you, Lee. Can you please run the file? Okay, so as you can see, this is our calculator interface design. So now let's test each of the button functionality. So Lee, can you please enter 10 plus 5? And now we're gonna press the equal button. As you can see, the total amount that has been 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. And now let's test the subtract button. So please leave 10 minus 5. And if we press the equal button, it will equals to 5. And now, Lee, please enter 10 multiplied by 5. And it is equal to 50. And now for the last one, for the second last, we press the 10 divide by 5 and equals to 2. The 2.0 means the rounded up by 2, rounded up by nombor perpuluhan, 2 nombor perpuluhan. And the last one, we will test the functionality of the clear button. And as you can see, once we click the clear button, it will clear all the numbers at the number place. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.